So what does premium checkout look like from your customer's point of view? Well, we've got a product in our cart already, so let's start there. You'll see our nice soft cart pop out, and from here we can click the checkout button to take us to the checkout page. You'll see that your checkout page has your logo up here, your graphic logo that you added. Also, things like PayPal and Amazon Pay that don't require address input are listed up at the top of the page, so your customer can skip the entering their address phase if they need to, and if you offer these payment methods on your store. Right below that, we've got a place for existing customers to log in, and that way they can view their accounts and place their orders. And we've got an email field. This is for new customers or customers who are checking out as a guest. We enter our email there. We can scroll down to the shipping address section. We'll enter our address. Put in our city. And we'll choose our state from the drop down here. And our zip code. We've got the ability to choose if it's a residential address. If not, we'll uncheck this and it'll default to a business address. And we can capture phone number here as well. And right below this, we've got our email opt-out. Right now, we've got it set to opt-in automatically. Your customer can, of course, uncheck that, not receive newsletters. So let's go ahead and hit our continue button, and we'll see if we go to shipping method. What do you know? There it is. This is our email verification in action. So we've got an address. The email verification has looked at it and said, hey, this is not a recognized address. Your customer can, of course, use this address, but they also have the ability to edit it. All right, so let's have it edited. Let's go ahead and hit our continue button again. And it'll ask, is this correct? Here's your original address. What they've done here is they've added the +4 to your zip code. That's going to make it easier for the post office to deliver this. And of course, this is highlighted, indicating that the customer should choose yes. If you choose yes, there it is. There we go. It'll now pull up shipping method, whatever we have on our store, whatever's available for this order. Customer can go in and choose their shipping method and then click continue to payment. We've got our information that we've collected so far. And then we've got our payment options. Here's your credit card field to put in your credit card information. And then any other payment methods that you have available for your store are going to be listed down here, including PayPal and Amazon Pay, which were available at the front. But let's say the customer decides they want to go ahead and use PayPal now, they can still choose it. We'll do check by mail. Asks us to verify our billing address if it's going to be the same or different. We've got the ability to save their information, and this is creating an account. So if they enter a password here, then they can go ahead and pay, and that'll create an account for them. If they want to check out as a guest, all they've got to do is uncheck it, and the pay button is now active. You'll also notice right here we have add order comment. So if your customer needs to go in and add an order comment about delivery or special needs, anything like that, they can go ahead and add that here. And finally, we've got our pay button. When we click that, it's going to accept our payment, and it's going to take us to our check by mail page. Each payment method is going to have a different page explaining any additional steps that are necessary. This also triggered the order email that goes out to the customer. So once they click that pay button, they're going to get an email with their information sent to them. And that's it. That is premium checkout. Again, we showed you the setup. It's really easy. It's a great experience for your customer. It's branded to your site, so you're going to be able to create that experience where a customer wants to come back and purchase from you again.